Pre-crime has eliminated the need for conventional detectives.
Appetites were for less conventional fare.
Knowing nothing of his unconventional heritage.
We have a very unconventional chemistry. It makes people feel awkward, but not me.
Like 2 days ago, the organic...
I'm exhausted about every conventional method of approach to this situation.
Conventional? I want to be conventional.
Conventional methods do seem to have paid off.
Our conventional weapons were useless.
What we do, it's a little unconventional.
Safe distance using conventional
20%
thrust.
conventionally. Just tailing. Paul did.
Because pre-crime works. Pre-crime has eliminated the need for conventional detectives. So most of what happens now
is here to supper in the first place if my appetites were for less conventional fare. Unfortunately, a man in my position...
The baby Tristan grew up knowing nothing of his unconventional heritage. But never...
I want to understand it.
We have a very unconventional chemistry. It makes people feel awkward, but not me. All right, she's the most beautiful woman I'd ever been.
Where are the blueberries? I told you like 2 days ago. The organic blueberries, not the conventional blueberries. I can't...
Now I'm at my wit's end. I've exhausted about every conventional method of approach to this situation. I've come up with nothing.
Like a retarded tooth fairy.
The judges expect a conventional.
I want to be conventional.
And your scores reflect that.
I did the triple axel that happened.
I knew things were moving, sir, but... Our conventional methods do seem to have paid off.
Quite.
So I shall want you to call your chaps off.
Started falling. Our conventional weapons were useless. I requested an order to evacuate.
Don't be greedy, okay?
What we do, it's a little unconventional, and so...
Okay.
Your licking eyes was going perfectly, like a textbook. They reach safe distance using conventional thrusters. All systems look good.
Own design. Then we got another 20% conventionally. Just tailing. Paul did. It's beautiful. It really was.
Of a total of 2,750 pounds of conventional editions, 836 pounds of...
Experimental. You eschew conventional narrative.
Well, narrative is dead.
All 777 once you've tied on, I know conventional wisdom says to just gun it in the opposite direction.
And I got real insight into you. There's a deep-rooted fear of being conventional.
Right.
Coach was left with few options outside of inexperienced and unconventional players. The bulky midfielder, Zito.
The impact. It's left over from when this was a warhead that contained conventional explosives. Now that we are converting it.
A sound. Unconventional. Unfamiliar. New, but sound. Was San Francisco...
Some, lose some. Your cordial manner may be rather unconventional, but I gotta tell you, you're one.
In the least degree against her, has exposed herself by any unconventional behavior to...
Action, to do, rather than to observe and get lost in conventional cliches.
I think I follow. Philosophies.
The idea of trying to cover this race in any conventional press sense was absurd.
Hey! It's pretty great!
And conventional number 3 will...
Obstacle.
A mere conventional impediment.
But what can it be?